Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is Shelly Cashman Access 365 Module 7 SAM Project A. Connect to Marketing Group Advanced Form Techniques. Okay, so this is our instruction file and this is our Access Start file. Now these are the project steps. So the first step is Connect Marketing Group is a national company that provides marketing services such as contact research, brand building, and merchandising to retail stores. As a sales analyst working with the company database, you need to create forms that have features such as combo boxes for finding records and command buttons to make forms easier to use. Add a form to the database as follows to track contacts and account contracts. Okay, create a form in design view. Go to the create tab and here click on form design view. Then open the property sheet for the new form and then apply the record source for the form to the contract totals query. Okay, open the property sheet and go to the data tab and here select 1 second. Yeah, from here select yeah, contract totals query. Now add the contact ID field to the form and then move the control and its label to the that so that the left edge of the label is at the one mark on the horizontal ruler. Okay, add the contact ID field to the form. Contact ID field to the form and then move the control and its label so that the left edge of the label is at one mark on the horizontal ruler. One mark on the horizontal label, not control. This one is label. Okay, second. Now add the first name, last name, city, and contracts total fields in that order to the form. Okay, first name, last name, city, and contracts total field to the form. 1.5 mark on the horizontal. Okay, so we need to make them at 1.5 mark on horizontal ruler. No, I think 1 second. Position the 1.5 mark, resize the right edges of the text boxes are at the 3 mark on the. Okay, 1 second. So we need to place them at 1.5 mark on horizontal ruler. 1 second. Let me check the figure one first. Okay, okay, okay. Understood. So it is on 0.5. Okay. And here it will be city. And contract total. Okay. Now, resize the contour so that the right edges of the text boxes are at the 3 mark on the horizontal ruler. Now, save the form using contract totals as the name. Save it by using contract totals name. Now let's move on to our next instruction. I know this is a very long instruction. Now let's move on to the second one. Open the program entry form in design view and then modify it as follows to identify the form and use consistent formatting. Okay, open the program entry form in design view. Program entry form in design view. And then modify it as follows to identify the form and use consistent formatting. Add a title to the form. Okay, add title. Edit the title to insert a space between the words. Okay, expand the form header section so that the bottom border of the section is at the 0.75 mark on the vertical ruler. Expand the form header section so that the bottom border of the section is at the 0.75 mark on the vertical ruler. 0.75. Okay, vertical ruler. So I think form header section, this one, and the line is here. So we will drag it to the below side and here. Okay, so now we have expanded. Now apply a 24-point font size to the form title. 24 point. Um, okay. Now resize the title control to display the complete title. Okay. Now, resize the title control to display the complete title. Then use the format painter to apply the formatting of the program ID label to the other labels in the details section. Save the program entry form but do not close it. Okay, use the format painter to apply the formatting of the program ID label. so that go to the other labels in the details section. Okay. Second. Format. 1 second. Let me check here. Format. Hmm. Tab. Here we will again copy this. Okay, leave it. So now we will save the program entry form. Right click and save. Okay. Now let's move on to the next instruction. With the program entry form is still open in design view, add a combo box to the form to provide a way for users to select values. Okay, so basically this is not a complete tutorial video. This is just a preview to show you that if you want any kind of help in this assignment, I can definitely help you. There are total 13 instructions in this file from which I have already explained you two instructions. Now for the rest of the assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email, whatever you prefer. All the contact details are provided in the description box. So contact me and get any type of assignment help from there. In case any doubt, you can ask me through comment box. Thank you. Thank you for watching my